we learn about Europe.
Okay, very good. We learned about Europe. Okay, what is Europe?
Europe is mm, surrounded by ocean, except in the east, where it is joined to Asia. Much of Europe is flat, but there are several high mountain ranges, including the Alps, Pyrenees, and the Carpathians.
Okay, Carpathians. Okay, so Europe is fascinating or surrounded with diverse geography or ocean, cultures, and landmarks. It is the second smallest continent by area, but it contains nearly 50 countries. Okay, now, what is the second smallest continent?
Um,
What is the second smallest continent?
the second smallest continent is Europe.
Okay, very good. The second smallest continent is Europe. Very good. How many countries? Okay. Europe contains how many countries?
Is nearly 50 countries.
Okay, very good. Europe contains nearly 50 countries. Very good, Lynn. Okay, so we have here about Europe, okay? So we have the population. Okay, how many uh or how many is the population of Europe?
Is about 740
700.
743.1 million.
Okay, very good. It's 743.1 million. That is the population of Europe. Okay, now, what is the highest point of Europe?
The highest point of Europe is Mount Elbrus.
Okay, the Mount Elbrus. And last time we take a look of the image of the Mount Elbrus, right?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Okay, now, if Europe has the highest point, they also have the lowest point. Okay, what is the lowest point of Europe?
The lowest point of Europe is Caspian Sea.
Okay, very good. The Caspian Sea. Okay, the same with the highest point or the Mount Elbrus. We also take a look the Caspian Sea. Okay, now, what is the biggest desert of Europe?
The biggest desert of Europe is Altania Sahara.
Okay, the Oltenia Sahara. Okay, and the longest river is what is the longest river of Europe?
The longest river of Europe is Volga.
Is Volga. Okay, very good. And we also take a look the longest river of Europe, which is the Volga. Okay, so let's continue. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we discussed last also the natural wonders of Europe. We have here the Asia. Okay, let's listen the pronunciation for this one. Okay. Oh, let's see. Just to make us sure about this. Hold on. What is the word? A Asia Oh, sorry. What's wrong with this? Asia. Mm-hmm. Okay, hold on, Lynn. F. Okay. Here. Listen, Lynn. Let's take a look the pronunciation for this one.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Again.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Efya Fialakot. Okay, again. Let's make it slowly.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Efiatlayokol. Okay.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Can you please say that?
Uh,
Efiot. Okay, go.
Eyjafjallajökull.
Very good. It's Efiatlayokol. Okay, so that's correct. The Efiatlayokol. Okay. So what is the Efiatlayokol?
Eyjafjallajökull in 2010. As from this volcano in Iceland stopped more than 100,000 airline flights.
Okay. Eyjafjallajökull is a volcano in Iceland whose 2010, okay, take a look. That's in 2010, eruption disrupted global air. Okay. Let's search the Eyjafjallajökull. Image of Eyjafjallajökull. Oh, sorry. Eyjafjallajökull. Okay, look at this one. Do you see that? Do you see?
Yes.
Okay. This is the Eyjafjallajökull. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the Eyjafjallajökull. It's a volcano in Iceland. Okay? This Eyjafjallajökull is located in Iceland, and 2010 eruption disrupted global air travel. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we they also have another natural wonders, which is the brown bear. Okay, this is the brown bear. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the brown bear. Okay, a symbol of Europe's wilderness. Okay, what is the symbol of Europe's wilderness?
The symbol of Europe, I think is
Wilderness. Can you please
brown
say wilderness?
wilderness.
Yes, is what?
Is Wolverine.
It's a brown bear.
It's probably yeah.
Yes. Okay. So again, the symbol of Europe's wilderness is a brown bear. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's have
Can
the.
you?
Yes. What?
Sorry. Can you type the
Okay.
wild?
Okay. 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 Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Wait for a minute. Let's just know search for the pronunciation for this one so that we will know. I will type it for you. Okay, pronunciation. Pronunciation. Okay. This is also the wild oh, there's no pronunciation here. Why is this? What is this? Nope Kangwerla. The Noop Kangwerla. Okay. Can you please say that? Noop Kangwerla.
Yeah.
Okay, this one. This is the Noop. Where is that? Okay, hold on. Okay, I will type the wilderness. Do you want me to type it in our group or here in our class in? Maybe it's nice if I type this one in our group so that you will see. This is wilderness. That's that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is
Yes.
wilderness. Okay. It's okay, Lynn. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so what do you mean by Wolverine? What is
Wolverine.
Wolverine? Yeah.
Wolverine is a powerful Mid-Easter. Is the biggest member of the Whistler family.
Okay, so the Wolverine is a powerful meat eater. Is the biggest member of Whistle family. Okay, this is the Wolverine. This one, sorry. Okay, do you see that? It's like a rat. Do you know the rat?
Yeah.
Or do you know a rat? A mouse, like that?
Yes.
Okay, so we have Europe has a natural wonders. They also have landmarks. Okay. Oh, sorry. Hold on. They also have a landmarks or here. Okay. Okay. So Europe also has a landmark. Okay. I will type the landmark. Do you know what is landmark?
A landmark.
Yeah, landmark. That's one. Landmark. Do you
Uh,
know?
yes.
Okay. What is landmark? On your
A
own
landmark.
what do you mean by landmark?
Uh, landmark. Landmark is uh I I guess
Okay, so landmark is a recognizable natural or artificial feature used for navigation. Okay, landmark is something what a country is famous or known for. Okay,
yeah.
yeah. Okay, so do you know the landmarks of of Europe?
The landmark of
Yeah,
Europe is
do you know?
um,
I'll give you a clue.
uh,
This is a tower which is found or we can it's located at Paris or we can see this in Paris.
it's Eiffel Tower.
Okay. All right, it's Eiffel Tower. Okay. This iron tower in Paris. Okay, can you please read what is Eiffel
This
Tower?
iron this iron tower in Paris is 1,000 and
63
63 feet.
feet. Very
Or
good.
three
Or
304 meter
very good. Okay.
high. It was
hmm
complete in
It was completed.
1880. It was completed in
Yes.
1889 and
Very
is the
good.
most visited monument in the world.
Okay. So Eiffel Tower is an iconic Parisian structure completed in 1889. Okay, this is really famous. Have you ever heard this tower?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's nice. So they also have the Sagrada Familia Cathedral, okay? This is also their landmark. Okay, so the Eiffel Tower and also the Sagrada Familia Cathedral. Okay, this cathedral is a long-standing construction in Spain since 1882. Okay? The Sagrada Familia Cathedral is located in Spain. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and it is it's standing since 1882. Okay?
Mm, yeah.
Hold on. I will write it here. Sorry. Sagrada. What's happening? Sagrada Familia Cathedral is located in Spain. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you see that? Okay, so Sagrada Familia Cathedral is located in Spain. Okay, so we have the Eiffel Tower and the Sagrada Cathedral or the Sagrada Familia Cathedral. We also have the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, that's one. Hold on. Oh, sorry. This this one. This is the Leaning Tower of sorry. This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. This Leaning Tower of Pisa is a famous tilted landmark in Italy. Okay. So the Eiffel Tower is found or is located in Paris. The Sagrada Familia Cathedral is located in Spain. And the Leaning Tower of Pisa is in Italy. Okay.
Yes.
So where can we find the Leaning Tower of Pisa?
We can find the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy.
Very good, Italy. How about the Eiffel Tower?
Eiffel Tower, we can find in Paris.
Paris, very good. And the Sagrada Familia Cathedral?
Is in Spain.
Spain, very good, Lynn. Okay, so what about the Stonehenge here? Let me see, this one. Okay, this one. This is the Stonehenge. Okay, this Stonehenge is a mysterious prehistoric monument in the UK. Okay, if the Eiffel Tower is in Paris, the Sagrada Familia Cathedral is in Spain, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is in Italy, the Stonehenge is in UK. Okay, so where can we find Stonehenge?
We can find Stonehenge in
In UK.
in UK.
Yeah. UK or United Kingdom. Okay, don't forget that, Lynn. Okay, so the Eiffel Tower, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, Sagrada Familia Cathedral, Stonehenge are the landmarks of Europe. Okay, now, what are the landmarks of Europe? Can you please tell me? The 4 landmarks of Europe.
The 4 landmarks of Europe is the tower.
Okay, hold on. When you say the 4 landmarks of Europe, always follow that one with R, okay? Because
Yes.
landmarks is more than 1. Okay, so therefore we use R. Okay. Again, Lynn, the 4 landmarks of Europe.
the four landmarks of Europe are Eiffel Tower, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, Sagrada Familia Cathedral, and Stonehenge.
Okay, very good, Lynn. Okay, so now even though teacher loves to continue the class, but our time has come to an end. Okay, so let's continue again our class to next class. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank
Oh
you so
yeah.
much. Mm?
Can
Okay.
you
Thank
hear
you.
me?
Oh yeah, yeah. I can hear you. Wait, I have a question. Uh, uh, do you have a lunar calendar?
Oh yes.
Yes, and it is holiday, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so what will your plan or what's your plan about that? Are you going to continue our class or you will take your break?
I think I take a break.
Okay, you will take a break. Okay. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, so see you again next class, Lynn. Okay, it's January 24. It will start at January 24, right?
Yeah.
And it will end at February 2. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, 9 days of holiday. Also, 9 days of holiday, you will take your rest. Yes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, so see you again next class, Lynn. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, Lynn. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, good night.